33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword finally. In the realm of Python programming, handling the unexpected gracefully is key to robust and reliable code. Today, we dive into the finally keyword, a crucial component of Python's error handling mechanism. Let's unlock its potential together. The finally keyword in Python marks a block of code that will be executed after a try block and any corresponding except blocks. It runs regardless of whether an exception was raised or not, ensuring that resource release or cleanup tasks are reliably executed. Why, finally? Imagine opening a file or establishing a network connection. Regardless of success or failure in processing, you'd want to ensure those resources are not left hanging. Finally ensures the execution of cleanup code, like closing files or releasing connections, making it indispensable for resource management. Employ finally in scenarios where cleanup or finalization needs to happen no matter what. From error logging to resource deallocation, finally offers a guaranteed execution path for your cleanup code, ensuring your program remains clean and efficient. Let's walk through a simple example to see finally in action. In this code snippet, we attempt to open and read a file. Regardless of whether the file is found or any other exception occurs, the finally block ensures that the file is closed, avoiding any potential resource leaks. Mastering the finally keyword empowers you to write more reliable and cleaner Python code by ensuring essential cleanup actions are never missed. Continue exploring Python's features to enhance your coding journey. For more programming insights, make sure to subscribe.